Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be taking out the blow motor, and I'm going to show you how to take it out. And there's two wires. You can even check the power and ground to the motor. And also there's a resistor down there below the passenger side by the wheel where your feet are. So the motor is located down there, and there's a resistor. So if you're putting your blow motor to a low speed, medium, and it doesn't work, but it works on high, that's the indication your blow motor resistor is bad. So if you want to replace that resistor, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. I'm going to take it out and put it back, and the piece is about like $40 to $50. The blow motor can go up to like $125, but to save that money, to save that $200, you can do this all yourself. So if you put your blow motor, it works on low, it doesn't work in medium, and then it works on high, that's also indication that your blow motor resistor is bad. Sometime I'm going to show you, you could tap the blow motor, just hit it with the key on, blow motor on high, and hit it, and it comes on. But when you're replacing it, make sure the key is off, blow motor is off, the key's out of the ignition, because you don't want that motor to come on while you're pulling the motor out or connecting it back. And same thing for the resistor. Make sure everything is off, because you do not want to connect that resistor outside. It will overheat. You will see smoke come out of it. But anyways, very little tools you need. 10-20 minutes, that's all the time you're gonna need. Let's go inside and take out this blow motor. Alright, so right down here, let's go down here, and let me see if I can place my light here. Right down here we have our blow motor. This is the motor. Alright, you could tap it with the key on and motor on high speed. Right down here you have a resistor. So to take out the motor, you need to take out the number 8 right there, number 8 right here, and number 8 right here, and disconnect this connector. So let's start off by disconnecting the connector. And inside this connector you have this brown looking cable with the blue purplish cable. You could check power and ground here with your test light. All right, and this little connector, just pull it off, it comes off, so it gives you more freedom with the blow motor. All right, so the resistor has this connector. So let's just pull out the connector here. Let's move this whole harness to the side. Very simple. All right, and I'm gonna set up my camera here, and hopefully you guys can see everything with me. So first, let's take out this blow motor. So what we're gonna do is take out that screw right there. So I like to take out the hard bolts first. Let's take out this one also. And then we're left with one bolt, which is right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen this up. And this motor will come right down. That's how simple it is to get this motor out. But the resistor, I am not taking out the resistor today, but the resistor, all you do is you remove this screw right here. You need a little stubby screwdriver, and that one right there, and this comes out. This motor only goes, I mean, this resistor only goes one way because it's like a triangle-ish here, and the new one just goes, hey, this one comes out, the new one goes in, put the two screw back in. That's how you're gonna change that. Okay, so to put this back, make sure you line the motor. This little guy goes right there, and we're gonna put a screw in here. Screw, all 3 screws gotta go back in, and they go into plastic, so you don't want to go too hard on the screw when tightening it, because you will rip the housing. And after that, it's done deal. You're not gonna be able to get that screw in there. So I'm gonna tighten 3 screws, and then we'll put the connectors back in. Once it snugs up, you're gonna stop. Same thing with the other 2. And we got one more, but let's put the harness back in. Make sure everything is off. We still got one bolt to tighten, but connect that in, connect the blow motor in, and make sure you put this little guy where it belongs. And we still gotta tighten this little guy. And the motor is nice and secure. Do not leave this loose because it will rattle. It will rattle and make noise. Double check your bolts. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. And resistor again, 2 screws, and it comes right out. And that's how you're gonna replace the blow motor. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Oh, my connector wasn't in, so I pushed it. You always gotta double check. But anyways, thank you for watching and give it a thumbs up.